Abuzia ya mama tia mama kwa bebra so mamuni amaudo biso nsamo ya bobo no anope yeba na yede eba besom wonsam ne doso na poso enie sie no mo kase enkwanta krodua ni nyina empedinfo edi hwehwe na curfew bi atu no mo so
Ebusiafo ye run shebedwemu a speaker of parliament wadi sembi atodom dodo no wono ba no dane anim
ena yana yakubu eye Muhammad soso de afutu akwa vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia se ohunu se mampeni dada John Dramani Mahama ni nua prekope sense omo campaign o mana montum no ebe se we tuma no we na we susu etwa bi dia mane we
ye John Dramani Mahama so atre se wo ba obehwese asoafo no betimi ate so na etimi abo ma agekire ye
abzafo we ni afoforo pinwa na yakekese ni ayi ni se kasea anope ba na yede ababesomo mede ede na ya obo amali bi aboga no pemene
ohine ire mame akua yeboa asiama
abzafo nsam no enkyeremu enie sie no mo kasei osoafo na hwe o my god ya fisem bambo nsensam ede krata ba bonten se hwehwe na kafi wo mo ede bi ato adesia ewo enkwanta ene ne mpotamo so ye wo eye utimantem ne mo nyina eye menteme ho ase bi a esori efi na no memenda no ede rua ne kwasi adam ede ba ya bewura dwoada ene enra ya itu ekasa wo kru no munti ene nam soma osofo a wona hwe fisem bambo ho nsensam so agira tumi a amamra constitution ne dia ma no so ama omode curfew ato adesia ewo nkwanta ene ne mpotamo nyina so wono mo echese abro so a enyumre no onum die na se wo nkwanta krodua ni mu a na uru dem akwakoda ena chese wasori ntem kra afrikete so eya no pa be no nsia na chese wo sori e di afrikete so na mpedifo e di atato se sa curfew so omo di ato ade hye no so no omo enhye ne nso se obia ne ho kwan se onante se bia okuta akode bi okuta sekan okuta tuo na se bi okuta ba se ebekuta ne nsam de omo echese nyade a omo ebeti ase atwe ede ama desie no kra eno echi omo de asojafo ne aposifo akentire wo makwakugu krodua ni mu a omo ehweso mbe mia bambom no omo ayire bambom a ebenam so ma asumdwe ede him ewon konta ene ne mpotem busiafo se ene mo kase nipa be nsia ena etuo kasa efri na no memenda ne kwasi ada na de chi adwoada ede besi enra so no busiafo wonoma afam ahwere wonum nkwa yaya ma se ene mo kase afoforo pi so prepra yesi ehase edifre eyen kwanta central market na enra anopa tututu na sare husemi ehase a he woni a yesi o madai omso a yesi o muso toso eni omuki ososo na manfo ehye a enam soma nipa ensia kra na etwa na no monse do a se mo kase do makwa kugu nkwanta aban ya sabia doctor for eyemu emfifimu woni e prepra yeso no se mo kase a doctor for won kwanta aban ya sabia ejino mo na so ntentene a omo hye apre wono mo prekuro ede amawu no so fo a ohye fisem bambo ho nsensam so ora Ambrose Derry ede kokobo akwama dehia on kwantane ne mpotam nyina sade wasa ban ye bia ema asumdwe di ahim ema asumdwe tenase ewon kwanta ene ne nkwado no wono ma ebeye nti adehia no soso ho se wono ma ebeti ase ede ama aban no ene emperimfo a ehwemantam ne so abzanfo wei eye de eboboba ede de APP ede free eye nkwanta ene ne mpotam ye hyem bosse ye ne de akire de be frato bia no yemfa enkame mo
Ebusiafo ye to nsam no so de amamo ne aboaremu ewo mra hyebedwam na honorable Smana Kingsford Babin wono ene ye panyipa ya woda wonoma no Ebusia wode nsem bia to dwa ya wo kyese ra chairman sabonsu ya wono eye dom dodo ne ba no dani no wonhwe eni ne dwuma sɛ de yɛsɛ na ɛfata na na chitaafo ya wodi wo manim no wonhwe sɛ bɛ ya wonum dwumadie ya wode ahyɛ wɔn sam na hyɛbadwam no wobetimi ayɛ na timi aboa ama adekodie potenti enam so ɔmanfo to abama wɔnom no etimi awie mu duro Yewura Smana Babe edi nsem wese nyina tudwa wabra wonom ekwa asetenam na hyɛbadwam na 2024 eya kwama bosika ya nanu adaye rakeno foriata wade betu dwa no omudi ho abobo adosodoso mu ahwɛ de ye ene de enya no mu ayi afim na de ye no so no wonom agesi won enam so nti no wo kyerɛ sɛ dom dodo na ni ho a wo ba mra hyɛbadwam ede wo ho ɛhyɛ sɛ adwumadie wesem no nti no wo se yewura chairman sabonso won so le rakafi sɛ empanyin si adigya wa ne ye de asoa na wonye se yewura John Akufuado ya sabre ya to abayi Franka tuni ni wie ye no ase ne dwumadi a ye de ahye ne nsan kasa se mapanyin no wonye ne nyina ne se odi yewura ba obi eche no wose abasa na majority leader wosua na entimi emwa ne yewura Kingsford ne nsem no ebini
the majority who have a limping majority leader. Limping because when you look at his back, you are less than those in front of you. You have a lame duck president. A lame duck because you have elected a flag bearer. And loyalty and commitments are shifting. So your president is now lame duck president.
Sompa FM.
You need this side of the house to support you to finish your 8 years. And so if you don't behave well, we have a difficulty in proceeding as a nation.
Yewura Kingsford Sumana Babe wano ene yemra shebedwem achiame hene nanu disem ene ikotie ye no.
Abzanfo na ni nyina kwa ye budget ya ko musika wo sofo we sika 7 no ntutu so de akwa kotomra spejafo na nimu a ifri na no dwada ne banyina emra spejafo ahyase ebobo hu didi hu nkomo ye ni no wo ho ahwe de age atumu no a ena na ekoso enra enam so mamra spejani obo mra spejafie ma de hia e wo fo asa yire bia baton pesua so opoema ntemo Kujo upon Kroma no akronwa and aso akwakoye soafo a ohwani amansa din komoma Ghana ban what it just say oh my God economy no a amanfo che se etwefa no bo na ekonya na nya bibia o se COVID-19 ne Russia ne Ukraine wo ya ebesense wiase nyina kumu no ene ka ho bi mo my Ghana yaba bedu ba bia yadru sese no se nipa pinu adi ho adanse se free 2017 eba no o man ni sikasem to ye enye COVID-19 no a ebesense wiase nyina kumu ne Russia fo ntokwa almost side before as well. And combine sikasem kaya yakuye ni mupino akoyo ponkroma.
Therefore, the first objective of any sound economic policy or economic program at this time should be to bring back stability. The Speaker, if you look at this program, pages 1 to 164, as I mentioned, where you find the full outline of the economic program, you will find that the objective number 1 is stability. To bring the cost of living down to a level that our fellow compatriots in this country can accommodate. Inflation sitting somewhere around the 50s, brought down or being brought down this year currently to about 32%. And the forecast is that in the 2024 financial year to bring inflation further down to 15%.
Abzafo we honorable Kojo Ponkroma ni yetene ke we yemra no wo cheche nsemu ni entia o man ni sikaseme konya sa na no si ya ena ni nua NDC mrasebe ni obo mrasebe je ma dehia e wo Bogatanga Central Abaton Pesua so yera Isaac Adongo so no ekogina budget ne so akwa patcho so no de e chopa ena de bema Manchester United o mu defender your friend say Harry Maguire say ne modern man na nso ani nti no wo de no betoto ye vice president wo se de wo hu se wo hye go pa kentine ne ho Manchester United wo nanso nye vice president no a o man ne sikasem ena anwe ne se a wonam sirimu ye campaign ora Isaac Adongo
has been presented is empty. You can't force magic out of the door, Pongo. And so I sympathize with you. But Mr. Speaker, I can count about 2023 members on the other side. And this is their budget. If they are not interested, they should tell us to stop. Why are they not here? Will you prefer Dr. Mohammed's economy, where you were drinking your calipo for 50 pesos, to your 1 trillion where you will now be buying that calipo for 6 years? Which one will you prefer?
Abzafo we honorable Isaac Adongo na ne krakra mu ye mame abna osea sarea we so afo be de che ohisi kasam no ntutu so esusu de nchiremu sei emai
Your palace and then after you last visit. Like I said the last time, this is your home. You are always welcome here anytime.
Let me just deal with
Abzafo we enra enkomo a yemra sirjafo ne hya se wono mo edie de afa budget akomo sika osofo we sika sam no ntutu so de koto wo manim eho na sansensem we nyina piepie mu
so the amamo Dr. Mahmoud Baumia bra wato abayi ni so make it a frank emo from man pipi amanyoko no afen wode na ni akire mu ewo etifi epoye mantem ne ho e na wokodu na legu no Mamprogu hine ya wano ewo kwachia no ede ne ho ekwakyere ne se ne dom no eyi no nte no wode ni die ene ne ho eba abekyere ne se be ya abato ne duru ho a wane ne manfo nso betimi akwa ya wafam de de aboa na mamuo na enumo ena ye raba omia ede tudwa se wo hwe ensama hodo bi ye ra John Dramani Mahama ya wano so ekita Frank Amadi ama NDC amanyoko ni nsem bi a wokeka akwaya sasabie so nsabie ko ni mampanyi da na wo kyesa wano mienu no wode wo mienu gina ho a eye John Dramani Mahama wadi mampanyi pen wano ba omia de wonya ni bi pen na so no wo hwe JDM na mamuo so a dum so ye ba ye amanfo ho kyerɛkyere wonom na womra bonte mekasa wose wo ye dwanfu no na dwanfu a woni atenka na wonte wo amanfo problem ho nsɛm ɛna nkapɛsɛ wakoya ama wonom no ɛba ne sɛn ɛna ne de wose wasɔre a amanfo ne hwɛ no nsanto abɔ ɛmfama ne biem ye raba womia ɛde nsɛm bi ɛto a wese so.
Today John Mahama is going around the country. He is speaking to people as if he has never been president before. He said when we were suffering, he told us that he was a dead goat who had no feelings. Today, he wants to resurrect himself to become a live goat. He wants to become a live goat. Suddenly, he has solutions to all of our problems. But when he was president, what solutions did he bring to Ghana?
Ewusia yera bawomia ena sabre yakọ ekotie no na no si ya pe ena dabon hene ya na Abubakar Mahama ya no etoso mienu enso ejina so ede afutuo ede ma yera bawomia sada roma ya setwema mentwo we ne ya na emakorabo ena obi fumkum so a obi enfum nwente no won hwe ma won hwe akwamo ma ne timpo se bia yera Mahama kan sem bia nya ne dente no wono so ede bi kwa akosi na nam won hwe na ne campaign sem ahodo ya woka no o ma ho ntena timi aboa tumi no ebeba ne ho a etimi ababede ne nchen.
I know this is a special one. I thank you all to express your gratitude to your delegates for reposing their great confidence in you to lead them to the 2024 presidential elections. So first of all, on behalf of the people of Dabam and on my own behalf, I congratulate you on your election as a flag bearer and leader of your great party, the National Patriotic Party. Your Excellency, this is a big responsibility that has been placed on your head, and I pray that you will be up to the task and carry out your duties as successfully as you can. I've also noted with satisfaction as well as further noteness that you are the first ever Northerner to lead the NPP.
Ewusia nipa yeti ninken eye dabonra ya na Mahama ya wono etoso mienu.
For na yademo call mampeni dada John Dramani Mahama so na tena ye ono susu gusu a wonamu was a building Ghana campaign and as I say washase a wo yo no enra na yenemo kasa nwumre no na yenim se mampeni dada John Dramani Mahama ene na mafumantem ne mu a na osia na nanom woni ekabie wom na ono omo abo eyetu man kakra na enum no de atodwa se so don for eye na dom amwasaso aba bedi o man so se mampeni biewa ade obeye pa ene se na pamfo na soafo a ode omo beye adwuma no kete wese enye dodo owura bia no be kwa kose so omo akwakogumu ebenam so am wanya kakra emebi asambere man mfui wanya kakra dia mama omo a ama so madwuma omo ye no nkranhye timi abam
the Mekasa Yawa assembly members Meka 2020 Anopa assembly member edani demwa kokoko mebayare ewia kokoko ya pam me ba school fees anajo kokoko obabi nyem ye peka de nako ayarisa assembly member kwa obi tudi assemblyman e wo se okotena ho eyiaba assemblyman e wo se okotena ho enti yehwe sa ene yese the farm minister for Ethiopia, the farm MP for Ethiopia. Now then, assembly members are omoni nipanete. There is an MP on San Hodebia, minister on San Hodebia, assembly member there on nipanete. And then also yina, yamani bibi kakra na enshen crank na onosunye de juma.
Abusia na no see ya na chairman general the man this amanyuku no Era Johnson is doing ketia so de bi so se obesere obi bia se hwe na mo anyuma dwene se na me de mentu ababio se sankrofo no nyina eye wo mo a wo makwa akoto abade ama ban bia aso manu wo mo ho a wabatu no mo eno nti na ma mo keka sansem no obi anya na dwene se 2024 elections no wo mo kọ no makwa akoto aba
Nansai yaba kwanta ha de ta tene se o efra de yentu ababiem NDC MPP enyina ye baako yentu ababiem oti se obi e kansa unim se wato ababone
Sompa FM
anu ne ho enti wa na onamwa fadi enti oti o mentu ababiem Yasramo said the Utimuno Wumpa Abatuan near the Sesano. Etuka won't to be a mudia. Say Abaya Koti, Yaboda Ronuna Ubia and Qua. Send an Akufa to Nenebaumia or Motibabia or Motenoa Ubia and two or more. Let us say the Amompa or Modea Mono, and one on Bacos for the Ayamo.
Abzafo nana asamua soso toso emienu eyo hene ewo dwumo ye wo Tano South ono soso ede kakra episo
Sabi preduasa ye hwe potem ha ekeno ni group gidi na soso ya kwasha amani emu kakra enso nyahwe
ye nyina ye tie so
the mission say usha nursing training college etwa ekura nyina so asia ye tuma he yesu nye bi epe because asase are ready so the bad there and the memo asase eti the minister dey say medical kase e bo pe de ye go go na dem so a ye be ya famu de se de be ya obeba na wa be ye nso ya pe de amaye e to so bio e je na si training college ko other tertiary
Abzafo we eye mampeni dada John Dramani Mahama na probo e wa half
afe no abeka ye ho a ebusua hase nom eye Sompa TV so na wuti anopa no nsia brem kase no brekwa na wuti ye nka sante mantem kropo mo eye Sompa 93.1 na sunyane ne nkwado so eye Sompa 98.9 enkronza propo ye mantem fo nyina so jefa ho eye Sompa 90.7 Yet one some no so at the amamo na ya boy remo e wo fix the country movement wanum ekuo no ensumo ebusua wanum e de atodwa se wiaso we no se ye yi no anka se wutin we be yi wa yibone enu nti no wo matena se ahwe heha hu se kata shepo ye kanka ne dwum die e ya de a ekoso e wo mem asenum na wanum anka wan ene beka no nti no wanum e chese John Dramani Mahama wabokro no bi efa eba sensensem bi a eno eto dwabre bi a etwemo na wase wonum ebeto won ho agu e wona kache nyankopon eye adomu a eye ya wada November bosome da etoso aduonu miensen ya na wonum e de ache wo mani brabre se wonhwe se be ya sembi wo ho a wobetimi abeka e de ama na enchechemu mapa bi nso wo ho a watimi aye na bia mo nso no konte krakwa de boni special prosecutor so no waya sa ye kire ya na so to ho pete ho a wobehu sampa hu behia se wobeto nsade afre rajediam na watimi aba abekire nsemu e de akire wonum na se wodifo a sade Ghana emra no esitia na busua watimi e de no yanko na yewra Ernest owusu bempa wono e na ye kasamafo e de ma ekuei ni nsemu a wode tudwa
of November, but unfortunately na him say man penny dada na yere sis Teresa Abakufo may soul rest in peace na in China kwine na that day no aso na na say demonstration nti any approach for control kan say on twin na MPD fofo ye no mu na control na che say ya wade be ya any da o mai abroyi makwa mu say SCTM e dey oye chere no e hihye so any approach for kama public order act no e yom jama nyina ye di so pepepe na nyame aduma ya wade ya no
Sompa FM
ye public manifestation and as a demonstration and so to call on the international community to draw the attention of the former president, to draw the attention of the special prosecutor to act with immediate effect on this high rate of corruption scandal against our former president, who is also seeking to lead this country again, which we know is not possible. It's never going to happen.
Yera Ernest also Bempa a convener at the Maekwa Watu who is fixing the country movement. None of this any no.
I was on for Jumedia Bia Koso and Crapumpremantem far renewable energy when I'm some opening pa where director here renewable so our Buipa authority opening wisdom ahia takutogabu ede efutu akwama se eno any idea sisi wiase nyina eye enkoye se nsuo se de yakwa yakosumbu kane ani Buipa we ya yesi nsuo no na ennamu ami anyankane no sisi wiase de omani kire bebi foforo eno ntina me ho akwa hia se Ghana soso no ye ntutu ye yesa etusa na mo no bie.
Countries do are using nuclear power. Those are countries only industrialized identity because we generate electricity from nuclear, which means generating at a cheaper cost. So we process it we don't say so we bet me compete in the international market. So when we say any country one nuclear power plant, industrialized because electricity is very cheap. And to Ghana, say a per se, added value to your resources. Here electricity and one of the sure options of Ghana is nuclear. We can find electricity from oil.
Sompa FM.
Now we talk oil from outside. To me competing.
Anuache Dr. Stephen Yamua Soso Director General of Nuclear Power Ghana and ono so kakra eso say.
Gold Catcher technology presents a unique opportunity for small-scale miners to change the way they work. For a very long time they've been
for Nankaya Hersi Benya Dr. Stephen Yamua and Semni B Ede Amamu Yejra we so nano paying somewhere Baba no de best someone yet the more SC near sorry I'm a man here to watch us as well about Tenancy Beauty at the Achebia Jumedi at Wamusoni Ukwada Ofre Wakamasema Wakawasem Jumedi Esro Asedan Koma Kosia Sumua Kukua Yesem for Penny Asante Aboa Benedict and name ranted him about one was some perfect Sompa TV a newsroom nyina me did Yaboa Malibi Abogano Pemine
oh hine rema me ekwia Yaboa esiama
Sompa. This is 93.1 FM.